This is 8-bit lightning, and I have a thing. So this is, I believe, the serial cable. Let's see. I am growing my ever so growing. I'm increasing my ever so growing collection. Come on, there. Oh, it came with the power cord. Oh wait, it's connected to the machine. Oh, come on. There we go. Ah, there it is. Which is, I can get this. Who does this? No, I can't just take the cable because I think the cable's the cable's connected to it. Okay, so, ooh, she needs to be cleaned. I don't know if that shows up very well. What is the, there it is, MPS 801. It's a dot matrix printer for the Commodore 64. Now, oh shit. Yeah, maybe a little cleaning is in order. Oh, damn. Yes. So, oh wow, the foam still bounces back. Cool, that means it's been in a fairly good environment. Yeah, she needs to be cleaned. I need to get the paper for it too. This kind of printer has that paper that comes in one sheet. It's perforated in between each sheet, and down the sides there's those lines of dots that you can rip off. That's how the paper is advanced, by the way, I think. Paper advance. Is that a button? Power. Let's test that first. So, cable. Is there a power switch? Ah, there is. Oh. Shit. Oh, so that just fell off. Okay. I don't know what that does. No, don't fall further. Okay. So. Okay. First thing. Does not turn on. There's no other switch. Oh my god, the switch is on the side. Whew. Okay, we have power. That was loud. Oh my god. Oh, is that just... I'm pretty sure that's just it going to the left, all the way to the left. Kind of with like disk drives, the 1541 disk drives, or any of the Commodore floppy drives that you get that little clicking noise because it wants to go to the front. Oh, what's that? Okay. Let's not get into that yet, but yeah. I thought that was a button. I don't know why I thought that was a button. It is a button. Kind of. Okay, I got it to stop. Okay. So it does work. I thought the switch was in the back because I saw that switch. So then, what does that switch do? right there. It's like T4 and 5. I'll do more research with it, but oh, okay, so it's supposed to be able to just come off. It's supposed to be able to. Okay, I thought it was broken. Nope, we're good. Crap, now I can't get it back in. Come on.
No.
Oh. Yep. Okay. So, at first glance, she works. God, this is a big printer. Of course, my typewriter's bigger. Like, twice the size? Yeah. Anyway. So. Oh, this. I just like crushed my phone with the printer. There was bubble wrapping. So yeah, came pretty well packaged. It didn't have a chance to move, and it came 2 days early. Damn. 2 days early. I was expecting this on Friday, and I'm recording this on Wednesday. So yeah, there's going to be some cleaning in order. It doesn't look too dirty, but that's because my lamp. Well, or actually, it doesn't seem too dirty. This does. I'm going to have to clean this. I don't know if that's on. Might be on the front. Might be on the front. I don't know. But that will be in a different episode, whatever you want to call it, because that's going to be a task in of itself. So yeah, my MPS 801 that I actually didn't pay a lot for, but I'm not going to argue with it. I just need the I need the paper and probably the ink ribbon. Yeah, probably the ink ribbon, which might be that. I don't know. Okay, there's a thingy here. I don't know what that does either. I'm gonna stop messing with things. But yeah, cool. Oh, this is the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Let's get the light over. Yeah, there's the ribbon right there. So it's like a typical typewriter thing. Typewriter ribbon. Now you can see how there's dirt and stuff. So yeah, dust. I'll be cleaning it. You know, nothing too advanced. I hope. Yeah. See. Okay. I was just seeing this. This is what those holes are for. On the side of that kind of paper, see? This goes in one of the holes and then it pulls the paper. When you're done, you usually rip those off. Usually it's perforated, or you just leave them on. Yeah, I'm gonna stop messing with that. Alright. Cool. I got the first version of this printer. There's an 802 and an 803. Might be like an 804 or 5, but I know only 1, 2, and 3. So, yeah. This is a little shorter video because I only have one package, but yay. And I believe, yeah, this uses the same serial cable as the 1541 disk drive, or the most of the Commodore disk drives, which is right, because that's going to be on the same port. Oh, I think this one has it too. Okay, so the disk drive has this too. That's so you can have like two things. Since there's only one port on the Commodore, you don't have to like switch in between your drive and something else that uses a serial cable. You can like daisy chain them together. Oh, I figured it out. I think. Hopefully. That sounds right. Anyway guys, this is my Commodore MPS 801 dot matrix printer. That's what it means. You know? The word dot's not on there, and it doesn't seem like there was another word, so just matrix printer. But it uses dots to print things. Anyway guys, this has been 8-Bit Lightning. I will see y'all in my next video, which is either me cleaning this or me doing something with my Commodore or the actual computer. I think my next one's going to be me working on my the keyboard, because I finally got that fixed. I recorded all that and I'm just editing it and stuff. So anyway guys, if you liked, hit that like button, comment down below, and if if I ever get anything wrong in these videos, just comment below the correct version of the statement. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Can't talk today, yay. If you want more of this 8-bit goodness. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.